Alright, what's up, fellas? Today, I'm gonna have a fun video. We're gonna do we're gonna change it up. We're gonna do a little rant style video, okay? I'm pretty much just gonna tell you how I'm feeling with the market. I'm not gonna really try to cut this video at all. We'll see. But, yeah, so today, April 6th, alright? And the markets have just tanked pretty bad. We're seeing ETH under 1,600. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. I did kind of expect this to happen. I'll show you some charts and I'll get into what I think. So, first off, I want to make a point here. And it's that I think personally, in the crypto space, there's too many of the wrong people in crypto, okay? There's the person that gets mad when their altcoins are down. And then number two, there's the people that get happy when their altcoins are down. And why is this? All right. Now, I'm going to tell you what I think you should be focused on, all right? And that is the long term. You need to be sold on the idea of crypto, okay? Not just these prices and everything. You should be looking at Ethereum right now at almost 1,500 and be like, this is insane. I need to buy more. $1,500 for an Ethereum? I need to be buying more. Like, you shouldn't even be worried about it going to 1,000 or an 8. Just think about what these coins are going to be worth in the future. There has never been a dip in, we'll say, the crypto market overall, right? And even the stock market, where even if we had a detrimental crash, we've never not achieved all-time highs again. You gotta realize that eventually, I don't care if it's no 2025 bull run, I don't care about any of that. Eventually, this coin is pretty much guaranteed to go to an all-time high. There's no other way you want to flip it. Eventually, it is a guaranteed lock for an all-time high, which is why all of these projects that I really believe in, I'm just gonna keep buying. I'm not gonna stop. We're gonna go, look at this, Bitcoin, 79,000. I'm scooping on more right now, literally right now. So my point is that you need to be sold on your bags. Not selling out of your bags, okay? You need to be sold on them. You need to be sold on the companies, not the companies that aren't companies, but the ideas you're buying. You need to be sold on these projects. Otherwise, why would you hold them? I'm buying more next week, 100%. 100%. I have cash on the sideline and we're going to be loading up here. Like, to me, this is beautiful. My next move, all right, that was just a little rant. My next move, okay, is going to be Sui, Bitcoin, Walrus, okay? 1, 2, 3. We can get this dude. I mean, I'm going to keep building this up as much as I can. I don't care what these prices go to. I really wish Ethereum, yeah, I mean, it's 1.8%, 0.8% in Sui rewards. It's all right. But I wish like wrapped ETH had an incentive or something, because right now I'd rather just stake them in Lido. It's actually safer too. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I might start dumping ETH in here, but we'll see. I have the wrapped Bitcoin doing me almost 5%, 4%ish on deep book, so I will take that. The fees should be crazy over the next, if we get it aggressively, an aggressive dip, the fees should be going crazy in both these pools. I really hope that my Sui USDC pool doesn't go out of range, but we'll see. Even if it does, I might harvest the loss, and well, it's not even working right now. I might harvest the loss and maybe just because it's going to convert all into SUI. So I might just harvest the loss and then dump all my SUI back into Navi from that pool, from this liquidity pool that's not loading. Maybe because it has really high transaction, whatever. Yeah. We'll check that later. But yeah, Walrus looking pretty incentivizing too. I mean, I just want to keep racking these up. That's all I care about. I mean, eventually, I don't even know if this is right. $49. I think it's a little bit more. But dude, I'm gonna just keep claiming these fees and keep multiplying and multiplying and multiplying. Like I said before, eventually these numbers will all break their all-time high. I don't care what it is. I don't care if Trump actually screwed the economy and we're fucked and, you know, whatever. But I think the most obvious play is to keep buying. And honestly, right now, the most attractive thing right now is Bitcoin at 79,000. Just as a long-term point of view, this is a coin that I'd probably hold. Well, I would say at least until it passes gold's market cap, which it will eventually. This is a United States money supply. I mean, we could put these accounts as a coin, but it's pretty obvious. We have the DXY. Look at this dumping in real time. Look at this candle. %3 on the DXY. That's crazy. On the weekly candle. Bitcoin dominance, look at that. Look at that. That's what we need. That's what we need. We're gonna keep riding that Bitcoin dominance train, like I've been saying. But yeah, look at this. I told you guys. I expect this number to drop all the way down here. This is total crypto market cap minus Ethereum and USDT against Bitcoin. So it's pretty much all of the top altcoins besides USDT and Ethereum, how they've been pairing against Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna keep. Look, as Bitcoin dominance goes up, this goes down, okay? Which is exactly what we see happening here. And all of the weak liquidity is getting sucked out of the altcoin market, okay? We're still flowing back into Bitcoin, so we're creating all of this leverage in Bitcoin to send it higher. And then while liquidating all of the weak money. When we liquidate the weak money, okay, it goes somewhere else. It goes into the big money and the rich guys' hands, which is good because those guys are the ones that control the market. That's what you guys have to realize. So in order to go higher, you need to go lower so those whales can destroy the weak hands, okay, buy their own positions, and that's how the transfer of wealth happens over time, okay? Yeah, so I believe this is Fed liquidity, looking pretty good. We have SUI, my favorite project. We'll just go over this chart real quick. Look at that. Oh man, a new monthly low since 2025 bull run. It's not still looking out strong, but we will probably see a $10-$20 SUI this year. Mark my words. Yeah, I don't even know why people are concerned. Like, look at this. Look how much we're up from last August. Like, we were at 46 cents and we're still chilling. Like, there's so much weekend liquidity we sucked out of until we go higher. Like, look at this. Look at this uptrend right here. We can keep going until June, July down here, which will probably happen. We'll probably hit, I think, maybe the 170 range, probably the bottom of my Bullish, because that's where it looked like all the liquidity was kind of being supplied. So I can expect SUI to go down to 170s, 160s range maybe, as it keeps bleeding. Maybe it does something like this and dumps a little bit. I don't know, or maybe it dumps now and there's just sideways action. No one knows, but yeah. So Sui's gonna be something I'm buying, and just that whole ecosystem. I mean, I'm gonna take these all day, and I think most smart people would. In the Sui ecosystem, I mean, 35% is ridiculous. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I got. I mean, we're just look at these $281. $281. That's crazy. These prices are crazy. This is sick. All right, this is sick. You really cannot get better than this. Chainlink $11. Everything's dropping in real time. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna be adding more money to Navi protocol, and we're gonna keep racking in these tokens. Okay. But yeah, next big buy, probably Bitcoin, because I might go over the numbers in a separate video, but I want this for the long term, okay? Think about it. It's at $79,000, all right? Gold's market cap is around $500,000, I think, a token. So I wouldn't even consider selling it until like a 7x. So if I keep, my game plan, okay, $10 a day as a DCA into Bitcoin, but I might up it. I really might up it soon to a little bit higher, because these prices are crazy, especially when I don't need much money for a 7x to, be pretty substantial, to be honest, even if that's 5 years. Like, if I can unnoticeably keep investing into this while also investing into my main bags, I'm gonna take this any day of the week. And I'm earning 5%, 4% in deep book tokens. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. No-brainer. All right. And look, that right there is how you have to view the market. Okay. You need to think long-term. Think about the guys that have been staking or whatever since 2013. Oh, I've been staking Phantom since 2016. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna be doing the same thing right here. Okay. Same thing with these guys in, Solana pools and stuff. They're doing great too. It doesn't even have to be Sui, all right? Solana, I know a guy on Phantom that's doing money in Phantom DeFi. I know. What else is good? I'm just in Sui, bro. But yeah, there's base farm. You can farm on base pretty well. It doesn't even have to be anything crazy, right? I mean, Sui is the best. Oh, Hyperliquid. Okay, I know a lot of people are big on Hype. Hype is a big one that people are doing some good money in DeFi in. Tron, obviously, it's definitely a staple. I feel like it's kind of base Tron Sui, honestly. This bull run narrative in terms of DeFi. But yeah. Yeah, I guess those four: Tron, base, Sui, Hype. But yeah, global liquidity, all-time high. Come on. What else we got? Staking. Yep. I mean, I'm gonna just keep doing this, all right? And that's really all I got for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.